To enhance mobile users' search experience, Google has unveiled new features and updates for the Chrome mobile browser. These enhancements suggest related content, highlight trending topics, and expand search suggestions. Get Search Suggestions. Chrome on iOS and Android platforms now offers search suggestions relevant to the web page a user is viewing. This feature provides a new related to this page section that supplies more search options for the content users browse. For example, suppose a user is exploring a blog post from Google and clicks the Chrome address bar. The browser will display other related searches about Chrome updates and version history. Review Trending Google Searches. The second feature, only available on Chrome for Android, incorporates trending Google searches directly into the Chrome address bar. To access this feature, a user must open a new tab, tap the address bar, and scroll down to discover what's currently popular. Clicking on a trending search will yield comprehensive results for the chosen topic. Chrome plans to roll out this feature to iOS users later in the year. Utilize Touch to Search. The third update is an enhancement to Android's Touch to Search feature, introduced several years ago. This function lets users search for a word or phrase directly from a web page. With the update, Touch to Search will now display a carousel of related searches, allowing users to swiftly access additional information on a chosen topic. Users can receive quick translations, helpful context about unfamiliar terms or places, standardized touch interactions, and more intuitive settings control. Explore more suggestions. Finally, Chrome has expanded the number of suggestions when users begin typing in the address bar. Instead of the previous 6, iOS and Android users will now have 10 suggestions, with the most relevant ones appearing first. New areas for optimization. Search enhancements and new features for Google Chrome mobile users may impact how they interact with search and the type of content they discover online. Marketers should adjust their strategies to ensure their content appears in related searches and trending topics, enhancing visibility and user engagement. In addition to the updates to Chrome, Google also announced new capabilities for Search Generative Experience, SGE.